आँखों में अरमान लिया मंजिल को अपना मान लिया, आँखों में अरमान लिया मंजिल को अपना मान लिया, फिर आसान क्या और मुश्किल क्या, जब ठान लिया तो ठान लिया। अभी सूरज नहीं डूबा जरा सी शाम होने दो, अभी सूरज नहीं डूबा जरा सी शाम होने दो, मैं खुद लौट जाऊंगी पहले मुझे नाकाम तो होने दो। मुझे बदनाम करने का बहाना ढूंढता है ज़माना, मुझे बदनाम करने का बहाना ढूंढता है ज़माना, मैं खुद हो जाऊंगी पहले मेरा नाम तो होने दो। गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल ऑफ यू।
Good morning.
Today is our presentation session, and presentation session is very good session. Every person know that what is presentation session. Presentation, I like so much presentation session because it session you clear your hesitation, emotion, action, and improve your body language and everything. This presentation is very good, and I like so much. And every person likes so much because it presentation improve your body language and every action, emotion and anything. तो do you guess my topic? आज मैं ऐसे चीज़ के बारे में बता रही हूँ जिससे हिंदुओं लोग बहुत दूर भागते थे, जिसे खाने के लिए वो लोग सोचते तक नहीं थे, लेकिन अभी इतना ज़्यादा उसको पसंद करते हैं और उसके खुलने के कुछ दिन बाद ही इतना ज़्यादा पसंद करने लगे। पहले तो उसे देखकर छी करते थे, पर कुछ दिनों बाद उसे इतना ज़्यादा खाना पसंद करने लगे, इतना ज़्यादा पसंद करने लगे। फिर पहले तो उसे बस ब्रिटिश लोग खाते थे। आपको पता भी नहीं होगा कि उसमें ऐसा क्या चीज़ डलाता था जिससे हिंदू दूर जाते थे। उसे अंडा मिलाकर बनाया जाता था, इसीलिए हिंदू उससे बहुत दूर भागा करते थे। और एक टेलर हो के ऐसा काम कर दिए जो कोई सोच भी नहीं सकता था। एक टेलर हो के इतना बड़ा काम कर दिए कि उससे इतना ज़्यादा हिंदू पसंद करने लगे। उसको बनाने के लिए पूरा हिंदुओं का टीम रहता था। डू यू गेस माई टॉपिक? व्हाट इज माई टॉपिक? नो, माई टॉपिक इज पार्ले जी। माई टॉपिक इज पार्ले जी, and Parle G is very famous biscuit. Every person know that what is Parle G because it taste is very good, and that time he is very famous for every person like so much Parle G because his taste is very sweet and it is made by wheat and milk and sweet things, and it is very tasty and every person like so much. Your grandpa, your father, your mother, it is also eat a biscuit, and I also like so much biscuit because its taste is very good, and that time it is very popular, and every person eat to take a tea time, evening or morning with tea, and it is very famous and every person like so much. And that time only two things available, first Hundley cookies and normal cookies, but that time only for British Raj only eat biscuit, but now time every person eat the biscuit because that time biscuit price is very higher, so not achieved for every poor person. That time only eat the British Raj and king of our district and your state level person, and that time only for rich person to eat the cookies, and that price is very higher, and every person not buy the biscuit because it is very more than rupees. But now time every person to eat the Parle G because now time only for 3 rupees started to Parle G. At that time only to 1 paisa buying, but every person have no 1 paisa, but now time started to 3 rupees, 5 rupees and 10 rupees packet available your here and there and your near shop it because it is common thing, and now time also it is very famous. And Parle G not a brand, Parle G is that time is a emotion, feelings, and like so much every person like very so much, and every person take time it and that Parle G is a brand, and it under have a many of brand like cookies, chocolate, Pepsi, Maaza. It is the part of Parle G founder Lal Radha Mohan is the founder of Parle-G, and it is very buying now time, and it is very famous, and it seems to me that that time also famous and now time also famous, and it is very famous, and it is made by wheat milk and sweet things, and it is present in 19th century, and it do you know where is the started of Parle-G company? Started in our India, in Mumbai, Parler area. That's the main reason Parle-G biscuit name is Parle, because this area name is Ward Parle, and that's the main reason Parle-G biscuit name is Parle-G. And do you know what do you call the Parle-G?
No.
Because Parle-G full name is Gluco Parle, and Gluco Parle short name is Parle-G, and and it have a many, and it is very good for our health, and it is very good for our health, and it is 19th century started this biscuit, and 25 year tak only for 2 rupees started this price, and it is made in 1898, and that time Lal Radha Mohan have a no idea, but he also think special, and he also do something special. One day he thinking, I want do something special, but that every Hindu religion not that time eat the biscuit, because that time biscuit mix the egg, then after ready biscuit. That's why the main reason not every Hindus eat the biscuit, but Lal Radha Mohan see and not satisfied this thought. Then he go to Germany and look how is make the biscuit, and he someday live in Germany, and then after he learn for how is the make cook biscuits, and he gone and he come in India, in Mumbai, and he started the how is make the biscuit, and he firstly biscuit to make in Mumbai, in parlor area, and he every maker in Hindus, and then after every person to eat cookies, and it is very tasty, and every small children, big children, yeah, old children, every person likes so much. And now time he is earned for 75,000 crore rupees for Parle-G. It is the profit, not it is all money. It is a profit money, 75,000 crore, and it is very higher amount. And every person have no idea. Every person say its price is very lower, but its price is not lower. It have a many profit. Then you purchase this thing, and thank you.